If you are looking for the best new Casio Edifice watches based on specifications, you are in the right place. All the watches buying links were given in the video description. 9. Casio Men's ERA-200DB-1A Edifice. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, mineral. Display type, analog. Clasp, one-touch, 3-fold buckle. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 48 mm. Case thickness, 12.6 mm. Band material, stainless steel. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 22 mm. Band color, silver. Dial color, black. Bezel material, stainless steel. Bezel function, stationary. Calendar, day. Special features, chronograph, compass, light, luminous, stopwatch. Movement, Japanese quartz. Water resistant depth, 330 feet. 8. Casio Edifice EQS-A500DB-1AVER. Brilliant watch, well suited to formal and everyday wear. Bezel color, silver. Bezel type, tachymeter. Case material, stainless steel. Water resistance, 100 meters, 10 atmospheres. Band color, silver, black. Dial color, black. Case color, black. Watch shape, round. Style, casual, sport. Features: world time, date indicator, mineral crystal, alarm, chronograph. Movement, quartz. Type, wristwatch. Band material, stainless steel, metal, silver. Display, analog. 7. Casio Edifice EFS-C100DB. The watch itself is fantastic. Gorgeous dial, solar-powered, battery level indicator, stopwatch, 100-meter water resistance, date display, stainless steel band, black ion-plated bezel, item shape, round, dial window material, type, mineral, display type, analog, clasp type, fold-over buckle, case material, stainless steel, case diameter, 50 mm, case size, small, case thickness, 13 mm, band material, stainless steel, band width, 20 mm, band color, silver, dial color, black, calendar date, special features, stopwatch, weight, 200 grams, movement, quartz. 6. Casio Edifice ECB-10. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. Item shape, octagonal. Dial window material type, mineral. Display type, analog digital. Clasp, buckle. Metal stamp, no metal stamp. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 48.5 mm. Case thickness, 12.5 mm. Band material, plastic. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 5.1 centimeters. Band color, black. Dial color, black. Bezel material, stainless steel. Bezel function, stationary, count up. Calendar day, date, month. Movement, quartz. Water resistance depth, 100 meters. 5. Casio Edifice ERA-300RB. Love this mechanical hand-wound piece. 100-meter water resistant. Twin sensor chronograph. Strap material, stainless steel. Strap color, black, silver. Dial color, black. Band strap, bracelet. Case color, silver. Watch shape, round. Features, luminous dial. Case material, silver, stainless steel. Display, digital. 4. Casio Edifice EFV-C100. Casio's Edifice collection reflects a distinct sense of style by providing men with features that are ideal for professional and weekend lifestyles. The collection speaks to upwardly mobile men whose goals lie anywhere from the boardroom to the ballpark. Case size 51.6 by 46.6 by 14.2 millimeters. Weight 161 grams. Case and bezel material. Case, bezel material. Stainless steel, aluminum. Band, stainless steel. Band, one-touch 3-fold clasp. Water resistance, 100-meter water resistance. Power supply and battery life. You can see influences from different high-quality, high-price watches in its design, like Rolex Explorer 1, or Milgauss, or Omega Railmaster, etc. The fact is that it is a very classic design, but does not look like an homage watch. It has its own personality. Great water resistance, 100 meters. 3. Casio Edifice EQB 1000 AT. This watch is worth every penny. It's big, but not too heavy or bulky. Also, because this watch is solar powered, it does not come with a charger. Some other watches from Casio do include a charger, even though they are solar powered. Display type, analog. Case diameter, 45.7 millimeters. Case thickness, 9.8 millimeters. Band width, 22 millimeters. Band color, blue. Item weight, 2.5 ounces. Movement, Japanese quartz. Great piece, incredibly affordable, and just love this brand. 2. Casio Edifice EQB-S100-1AEF. Dial window material type, sapphire crystal. Display type, analog digital. Clasp push button deployment. Clasp case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 10 millimeters. Case thickness, 10 millimeters. Band material, stainless steel. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 24 millimeters. Band color, silver. Dial color, black. Bezel material, stainless steel. Calendar, day date. Special features, Bluetooth, solar powered, stopwatch, world time, countdown. Item weight, 4.73 ounces. Movement, quartz. Water pressure resistance, 10 bar. Water resistance depth, 100 meters. 1. Casio Edifice ECB S100HR 1AER. Color, white. Movement, solar power, tough solar. Water resistance, 100 meters, 10 atmosphere. Crystal, sapphire. Digits on the dial, indexes. Gender, men's. Type, digital, analog. Weight, 76 grams. Strap material, leather. Closure type, pin buckle. Size, 17 to 23 centimeters. Width, 22 to 20 millimeters. Case color, silver tone. Material, stainless steel. Shape, round. Diameter, 46 millimeters. Thickness, 9.8 millimeters. Functions, 12/24 hour format, 5 daily alarms, Bluetooth connection, timer, 1/1 minutes, 1 hour, hourly signal, battery level indicator, LED light, limited edition, full auto calendar, 1/100th second stopwatch, 24 hours, world time.